Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to put on a left side saddlebag on a Sportster. This is my Sportster iron 883. First thing you're going to do is you want to prep your saddlebag. So you're going to take the straps. There should be 3 straps. You're going to go from the inside. You're going to just take each strap and poke it through one of the slots. So if you can see right there, the saddlebag's a little bit beat up. You'll probably have a nice new one, but at least you can see I've taken all my straps and I've taken it from the inside, and you'll see that I have the strap available going through one slot on the outside. Just want to prep that. The next thing you're going to do is take your battery cover off. So to do that, you're just going to firmly place your hands on either side. Give it a few tugs. And the reason it takes a little bit of strength to do that is it's got clips at the top. So you want to pull firmly out to get it off. It may take a couple tries like you just saw me there. The next thing is that there's a lip on the bottom that your battery cover, can we see that in film? So you're going to want to lift up and then out, and then it should come right out. So this I learned from Jurassic Cycles Garage. So you might want to follow Jurassic Cycles Garage via Mechanic Beast on Instagram. Is that whenever you have the chance, you take a part off, just clean it up. So you know your battery cover may not have been off for a while. It may be dirty. So just get a chance to clean it up. You're going to want to put it on a soft surface, which I don't seem to have right now. You don't want to scratch it up like I've done to my battery cover a number of times. And then you can also take the chance to just clean inside, just get any dirt or dust off. So that's optional. The next thing we're going to do is you're going to attach the saddlebag to the frame line of the bike. So this was a rookie mistake I first made when I first put my left side saddlebag on. Was I attached it 2 straps to the frame line and 1 to the brake line. So you absolutely do not want to attach your saddlebag to the brake line. That could have disastrous consequences. So do not attach it to the brake line, only to the frame line. So to make this a little easier, we're going to start with the bottommost strap. We're going to come in underneath the frame line, the bottom side, like the bottommost part of the frame line. We're going to take it underneath. This may not be so easy to see because I've got my hands in there, and you're going to just, yeah, could take a couple of minutes there. So I've got this bottom strap. See the bottom part of the saddlebag around the bottom part of the frame line. So I'm going to take my strap, I'm going to stick it through the other slot on the back side of the saddlebag. Now this is important here. Like with screws, we want to fasten this on, but we don't want to completely fasten it yet, right? Because we may need to make an adjustment. On this saddlebag, I'm going to put it the hole like on the nearest hole, but you can make that call when you attach your saddlebag as to which hole you need to get it in. So I'm going to stick it in the hole, but I'm not going to loop the strap through the end buckle yet. I'm just going to leave it like that, because first I want to get on all 3 of these before I make that final adjustment. So now I'm going to come up and under middle part of my frame line. I'm going to once again stick in the strap to the top slot. And I'm going to do that same thing. Stick it in one side of the belt buckle. I'm going to look for that hole that I want to put it in. I think that's the hole. I'm just going to leave it without fastening it. I'm going to do just not the right hole. All right, that's why I didn't completely fasten it.
what she said.
All right, if you noticed, well, maybe you didn't, we actually put another hole in this strap. This is a La Rosa saddlebag. So what I've had 2 La Rosa bags, and I love the bags, but what I've found is that these stretch a little bit. This also happened on my Front Forks tool bag. So at some point, you may want to put an extra hole in there, and you can do that by you take a Phillips head screwdriver, a hammer, a piece of wood, just put the Phillips head over the place where you want the hole and tap it with the hammer and make that new hole. But it's important to have like a piece of wood underneath. That's optional. You don't have to create a new hole. So the final strap, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to feed it underneath the frame line, over the top. It's not the most straightforward thing to do. It's a little awkward, but, and then I'm going to feed it once again on the top slot. And I'm going to look for that hole that I want to stick the, now you can see that I made this hole pretty tight. Now, maybe I don't have this incorrectly. Alright, so it looks like I need to, as you can see right here, I'm going to stick it through the one part of the belt buckle. I'm going to look for that hole, which is way up there. Once again, this is one of the holes I made, so you won't have to work so hard, especially if you have a new La Rosa saddlebag. There we go. Get it in there. Okay, so now my saddlebag is on. Once again, I'm going to stress it's on the frame line. I have not wrapped my straps around anything that's delicate. I want to check before I do the final fastening that it's on securely. Give it a few tugs. Make sure that it's not compromising any other element on your motorcycle. Looks good. So the final step for this is that I just, it's super simple. Well, it's simple in theory. I'm gonna just finish off the fastening by taking the strap through the end part of the belt buckle. I'm gonna do that on this side as well. This middle strap. Okay, and then the last strap. Okay, so just double check everything, make sure you're all fastened. And now, there you have it. Now you can put what you want in your saddlebag. This saddlebag is holds a gas canister. I recommend this if you're going long distances in places where you're gonna run out of gas on a Sportster. So yeah, just fill it up, and thank you for watching. And I'd like to just do a shout out. Give credit to Jurassic Cycles Garage. Once again, you can follow Jurassic Cycles Garage at Mechanic Beast on Instagram and Jurassic Cycles Garage on Facebook. Thank you.